Super Easy Drawings channel. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig as a tooth fairy. Let's start drawing. At first, I am going to draw Peppa Pig's eyes, her nose, and the shape of her head. I draw a smiling mouth and a circle for her cheek. I draw a crown on the top of her head. I draw her body, her arms. Let's draw wings onto her back, her curly tail, and finally her two legs. She is holding a magic wand in her hand. Now let's draw a tooth here. And a coin under it. When someone's tooth falls out, the tooth fairy comes to collect it. Peppa also puts her teeth under her pillow and waits for the tooth fairy to come and replace it with a gold coin. Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color her skin pink. Then I use light purple for her cheek. For her crown, I'm going to use red, orange, green, and some purple here. For the rest of it, I use this yellow, like gold. I color her dress and shoes with this mauve marker. I use fuchsia for her magic wand. I color her wings blue. For the coin, I use this goldish yellow marker again. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.